Alright guys, welcome back. We're looking at section 9.1.1, inequality symbols. Just kind of quick review of all the different inequality symbols so that we're on the same page as we do this section. Okay, just as the symbol equals is used to represent two quantities that are equal in mathematics, inequality symbols, so yes, equal sign, yes. The inequality symbols at the right are used when describing the relationship between two quantities that are not necessarily equal. So we have four of them. We've got less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to. You probably learned about the alligator eating the fish in elementary school. I like to think about the inequality signs like this. If I were to draw an x-axis or a number line, the end of that number line has two arrows on it. It has an arrow pointing to the left and an arrow pointing to the right. The one pointing to the left or pointing to the negative numbers is the less than. The arrow pointing to the right, pointing to the positive numbers, is the greater than. If it's got an equal sign underneath it, it's less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. And of course, on the number line, they're not going to have those under it. But if it's got the equal sign underneath it, then that's equal to. I find that helps me distinguish which one's less than and which one's greater than. When graphing an inequality on a number line, such as x is greater than or equal to -1, a filled circle or point indicates that the value is a solution to the inequality as shown to the right. So we're going to put a point on -1 and we're going to color it in, and then we're going to shade to the right. Okay, this tells us the direction of shading. See, we have that arrow, that greater than here, it goes with the greater than there. Greater than or equal to, and the equal to tells us that it's a closed circle. An open circle indicates the value is not part of the solution, such as in x is less than -3, as shown here. So we have an open circle because -3 is not included, and then we shade to the left. All right. I will point out that as far as the direction on the number line goes, you need to have your variable on the left side for that to be true, because you could rewrite this like so, and then it wouldn't point in the correct direction. So the variable needs to be on the left side when you are using that method. Alright guys, hope that was a quick reminder for you of the symbols that we use when we're talking about inequalities.